Stupendous Collectibles on scene in Miami at night. Looking for some new product to bring to you guys in the channel. There's always nothing on these shows, but we're going to get in here and see what's up. Let's see what's going on these shows, baby. Let's go. They should put some shelves here and have nothing but cards. No Pokemon. Prism. Premium stock. Baseball. Football. That's it. We're gonna find something. Keep hunting. Go on a mission. We're relentless. You know that. Here's some Star Wars. Let's go. SW1 coming at you.